If you want to learn how to write a thread on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple step-by-step process to create a thread using the X app or website, so you can share longer ideas, break down your thoughts clearly, and keep your audience engaged from start to finish. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, just like this one. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone or go to the X website in your browser. Once you're signed in, look for the Post or Compose button. This is the starting point for creating your first tweet in the thread. Click on it, and a new Compose window will open where you can begin typing your first post. Now type the first part of your idea. This opening post should usually be strong, clear, and interesting because it sets the tone for the rest of the thread. After you've written your first tweet, don't click the regular post button yet. Instead, look near the bottom of the Compose window for the plus icon, which is the Add Another Post button. This is what lets you build a thread instead of posting just one tweet. Click the plus icon, and a new blank box will appear below your first post. Type the next part of your idea into this new box. You can continue explaining your topic, adding another point, or continuing the story from the first tweet. If your thread needs more space, just repeat the same process. Click the plus icon again and again to keep adding as many tweets as you need. This is perfect when you want to share tips, tutorials, announcements, or any message that would be too long for a single post. As you add each tweet, take a moment to make sure the flow makes sense. A good thread should be easy to read, with each post connecting naturally to the next one. You can use shorter sentences, line breaks, or numbered ideas to make the thread more engaging. Once your thread looks complete and everything is written the way you want, you're ready for the final step. Click the Post All button to publish the entire thread at once. That will send every part of your thread live together, so your audience can read it in order. And that's it. You've just learned how to write a thread on X step by step. It's a simple process once you know where the Compose tools are, and now you can share longer ideas without losing clarity. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.